Next-generation security from Liechtenstein. Local mobile attacks are a rapidly growing threat when it comes to defending against industrial espionage. Until now, those affected have not been able to identify active attacks. FL1 Silent Force makes it possible to recognize these for the first time, providing an affordable way to protect company premises, critical infrastructure, and entire city areas. Mobile communication networks are an ideal target. Nowhere else can you find such a wealth of business information, confidential data, and personal details. The typical targets are individuals, conferences, company research and development departments, as well as international sales. Given the level of digital networking in Industry 4.0, production sites in particular represent a new breeding ground for sabotage and manipulation. Attacks are possible due to vulnerabilities in global GSM mobile networks. The equipment needed is inexpensive and in common use worldwide. It can be operated inconspicuously from a car or inside buildings, taking up no more space than a briefcase. First, the IMSI catcher is used to simulate a regular mobile phone cell. Mobile devices in the area then connect to this, and the attack commences. In addition to the identity and location of users, microphones can be activated remotely, turning smartphones into powerful eavesdropping devices. Data transmitted over mobile networks can be stolen. In a worst-case scenario, a multi-stage attack could result in a permanent Trojan and complete control of the smartphone by a third party. For criminals, the sale of stolen data and call content is highly lucrative. Industrial espionage and competitive intelligence are now common weapons in global competition. They cause billions of euros of damage each year in industrialized countries. The parties involved include international intelligence services and a growing number of professional crime organizations. New forms of attack with regard to Industry 4.0 concern the manipulation of individual machines and entire production processes. The basic principle of the attack is the same, especially in combination with SS7 manipulation. Serious sabotage is possible. FL1 Silent Force provides wide-ranging protection against such attacks for the first time. In order to achieve this, state-of-the-art sensors are installed. Silent Force sensors monitor only the technical behavior of mobile networks. They cannot see any content or mobile communication data. Each sensor is connected to the FL1 Silent Force Alarm Control Center in Liechtenstein. Here, a team of specialists continuously analyze more than 140 network parameters in real time. If an IMSI catcher goes live on site, the Silent Force sensors immediately detect the changes that occur. Even advanced attack concepts and disguised attempts are identified. The Silent Force specialists verify the threat and initiate individual alarm measures. The attack is identified and localized, and it can then be terminated. FL1 Silent Force sensors can be fitted on-site anywhere in the world and managed from Liechtenstein. FL1 Silent Force, We make silent threats visible. Contact us today. silentforce@telecom.li